Hey, to perform the hard reset of the OPPO Enco Air 3 Pro, first of all, you will have to be sure that your earbuds are charged for at least 30%, so we can find this information right here in the OPPO Hey Melody application. And then you will have to locate the touch sensors. They are just right here. And we have to click and hold both sensors for 15 seconds, but previously we have to input them into our ears. Without this, it doesn't work. So input into the ears, and now click and hold both sensors for 15 seconds until you hear beeping. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now the reset is complete. I was hearing the sound, and now take a look. When I'm gonna put both earbuds inside the case, I will be in the pairing mode. So now when I try to be connected back with my previously connection, instead of this, I will get the new pairing request, which means that we successfully perform the hard reset. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.